What is îmân?
Iman means believing in the 6 fundamental principles of faith, amantu, along with all the commandments and prohibitions revealed to Muhammad alayhi salam by Allahu Ta'ala and delivered by him to us, and stating this belief with the tongue.
The 6 fundamental principles of faith, amantu, are as follows.
آمنت بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله واليوم الآخر وبالقدر خيره وشره من الله تعالى والبعث بعد الموت حق أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدًا عبده ورسوله.
That is, I believe in Allah, in His angels, in His books, in His prophets, in the day of resurrection and judgment, and in Qadar, and that good, khair, and evil, shar, are from Allah. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad, alayhi salam, is His human slave and His final messenger. Iman itself is without consulting mind, experience, or philosophy to confirm, to like, and to believe the religion which Muhammad alayhi salam communicated as the prophet. If one confirms it because it is reasonable, one has confirmed the mind, not the prophet, or one has confirmed the prophet and the mind together, in which case the prophet has not been trusted completely. When confidence is incomplete, there is not iman. Allahu Ta'ala says what means in the 3rd verse of Suratul Baqarah. They believe in the unseen. They believe in everything my prophet communicates, even though they do not see it. His messenger, too, declares, there is no one more corruptive than he who judges the religion, Islamic facts, by his mind. Tabarani. If one who does not believe in the effects of evil eye says, today science explains that rays that are invisible to the eye affect tasks in many fields. For example, we can operate our TVs, radios, and cars by using a remote control machine. For this reason, from now on, I believe that the rays coming out from eyes may cause damage. This reasoning has no worth, then, because this person does not believe in what the religion communicates, but in the rays streaming from a remote control machine. Or one believes in both the rays and the prophet. In other words, one believes them on account of the fact that science accepts the existence of rays, and that one bears witness to the effects of them, which is not iman in either case. It is necessary for us to believe all the facts of the religion, even if science cannot prove them, and even if we cannot see their benefits and harms with our eyes. The true belief is to believe in the unseen, ghaib, that is, to believe in something without seeing it. After one has seen it, it is not iman anymore. In fact, it will be a confession of what one has seen. What is praised in the 3rd verse of Surat al-Baqarah is to have belief in the ghaib, that is, to believe without seeing. Likewise, the 6 fundamental principles of iman necessitate having belief in the ghaib, because we have not seen any of them with our eyes.
Our master, the prophet, explained iman as follows by clarifying the following verses concerning belief.
Iman is to have belief in Allahu Ta'ala, in His angels, in His books, in His prophets, in the last day, that is, to have belief in the day of resurrection, paradise, hell, judgment, and mizan, in qadar, and that good, khair, and evil, shar, are from Allahu Ta'ala, and in death and resurrection. It is to bear witness that there is no God except Allah, and that I am His human slave and messenger. Bukhari, Muslim, Nasai.
The Quran al-Karim says, what means,
the real goodness is to believe in Allah, in the last day, in His angels, in His books, and in His messengers. Surat al-Baqarah, 177.
They believe in the unseen. They believe in Allah, angels, doomsday, paradise, and hell, even though they do not see them. Surat al-Baqarah 3.
They believe in that which is revealed to you, and the books which were revealed before you, and they have belief in the hereafter. Surat al-Baqarah 4.
Having belief in Allah, in the last day, in His angels, in His books, in His prophets, and in the unseen is declared in the above-mentioned 3 verses.
Allah knows what they did and what they will do. Surat al-Baqarah 255. No one can die without Allah's permission. Surah al-Imran 145. Only Allah decrees the time of death. Surah al-An'am 2. The 3 verses above state that whatever comes upon human beings is by Allahu Ta'ala's will, and show that one must believe in Qadar.
If any good reaches them, they say, "This is from Allah." But if any evil reaches them, they say, "This happened because of you." Say, "Kullun min indillah." All things are from Allah. Why do these people not understand any word? Surah An-Nisa 78.
The verse above notifies us of the fact that good and evil are from Allah. Muhammad alayhi salam is the messenger of Allah and the last of the prophets. Suratul Azab 40. This verse states that Hadrat Muhammad is the prophet. The meaning of amantu, belief in Allah. It means accepting and believing in one's heart in His existence, His oneness, His having no partner, His creating everything out of nothing, and there being no creator other than Allah. It means accepting and liking the religion completely, which He has sent through the mediation of the last prophet, Muhammad, who came as mercy to the whole creation. The Quran al-Karim says, what means? Believe in Allah and His messenger, the Ummi prophet. Surat al-Araf 158. Belief in His angels. Angels are nurani, luminous, spiritual creatures. They are neither male nor female. We have to accept and confirm that they are all sinless and obedient, and we have to like their deeds. The Quran al-Karim says what means? The real goodness is to believe in Allah, in the last day, in His angels, in His books, and in His messengers. Surat al-Baqarah 177. Belief in His books. We have to believe that the Zabur, the Taurat, the Injil, the Quran al-Karim, and all other divine books were sent down by Allahu Ta'ala, and that all of them are true. Belief in the books means knowing, accepting, and confirming the fact that the books before the Quran al-Karim were changed by people, and that they are no longer the word of Allah. It is necessary to believe that even if all of the books sent down before the Quran al-Karim were intact and unchanged, Allahu Ta'ala invalidated them, that is, abolished the validity of them. The Quran al-Karim says what means. They believe in that which is revealed to you, Quran al-Karim, and the books which were revealed before you. Surat al-Baqarah 4. Belief in prophets. We must accept and confirm that all prophets were selected by Allahu Ta'ala, that they were all devoted, truthful, and that they did not commit any sin. A person who does not accept or who belittles any of them becomes a kafir, disbeliever. We must believe, accept, and confirm that the first prophet is Adam, alayhi salam, and the last one is Muhammad, alayhi salam. We must put faith in the fact that our master, the prophet, communicated the rules of the religion completely and precisely, and we must accept and love all these commandments and prohibitions. The Quran al-Karim says what means. Those who believe in all of the prophets and do not make a distinction between any of them will have their rewards from Allah. Surah An-Nisa 152. Belief in Qada and Qadar. Having belief in Qada and Qadar requires a person to believe that Allahu Ta'ala has bestowed irada-i juz'iyya, partial will, upon people, and that people make options using their partial will, and that all of their deeds are created by Allahu Ta'ala in the end. The meaning of khair, good, and shar, evil, is to know, to accept, to confirm, and to like that all deeds are opted and willed by people, and that Allahu Ta'ala creates them if He also wills. The Quran al-Karim says, what means, the command of Allah is a predestined qadr that will certainly take place. Suratul Ahzab 38. Belief in the Last Day. Belief in the Last Day means believing, accepting, and liking that people will be resurrected after the annihilation of everything, and after judgment and mizan, Muslims will be awarded eternal paradise and disbelievers will be in eternal hell.
The Quran al-Karim says what means. They believe in Yawm al-Akhir, Surat al-Baqarah 4.
Belief in kalima-e-shahadat has to be as follows.
I bear witness, that is, I know and utter as if I saw, that there is no God save Allah. And again, I bear witness that Muhammad, alayhi salam, is human slave, the messenger, and the last prophet of Allahu Ta'ala.
The Quran says what means. Muhammad alayhi salam is the messenger of Allah and the last of the prophets. Surat al-Ahzab 40.
For those who believe in Allah and His Prophet, there are nur and rewards with their Rabb. Surat al-Hadid 19.